How to use Google Tasks for project management. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Tasks for project management. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Tasks. So if you are juggling multiple projects and drowning in sticky notes, today's video is for you. So to do that, you need to go ahead and open Google Tasks and then go ahead and rename this list depending on the project that you're aiming to accomplish. So you can go ahead and rename this. So I'll simply name it into marketing campaign. So for example, you are aiming for a marketing campaign. So simply click on done to rename it successfully and then click on this add a task button to add a task under it. So adding a task and subtask. Now add your main task. So first you need to add your main task. So for example, your main task is to launch email campaign. You can simply name that and then set the due date and then set the description for it. Now click on three dots at the right side of it and then click on add a subtask. So that newly created task would be a subtask of the main task. So in here, you can go ahead and break down the projects into subtasks. So for example, the subtask is to write a copy. So you need to name it as write a copy, incorporate the details, and then set the due date. And then go ahead and click on the main task again, and then click on the three dots of the main task, click on add a subtask, and then add more subtasks to this. So make sure to set due dates and reminders, so assigning it and syncing it with Google Calendar would make it easier for you to track your deadlines. As you complete tasks, check them off. It's satisfying and it gives you a clear view of what's done and what's left. And that is how you can basically use Google Tasks for project management. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.